Yo, what up, Matas, bro? I'm at the airport, bro, but can't lose the daily streak, bro. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be here for like 5 minutes. Be honest, I killed Funny Wars. No, I don't think so. Is something wrong with the camera, bro? Yo, what up, Bubba? But yeah, nah, this is just my way of saving the fucking streak. So, yeah. Dude, I'm at the airport, bro. I'm just like chilling in some random spot. But yeah, nah, that's literally it. I just wanted to not lose the daily fucking streak. That's really it. I don't really have anything to do. I'm by myself. I'm just kind of waiting for my next flight. And fuck off deck. But yeah, just gonna chill for probably a few more minutes. Still devoted to the not missing a day this year. When I'm in Korea, we'll actually do something. I'm going to Korea and then Japan. And yeah, my next flight is the one to Korea. This is just a quick layover. Kind of tired. Haven't fucking slept in ages. Just a little bit. Again, I'm just trying to save the daily streak. That's kind of why I'm here. My bad. There's literally nothing for me to stream. So, yeah. Just saying what's up. I actually forgot my phone on the fucking plane, dude. And luckily I got it back. Yeah, just for fun. Let's call. I'm gonna meet Dante at this airport soon, and then yeah, I'll meet everybody else in Korea. Wait, you been there, Matas? Yo, I can't. Yeah, no, it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time for sure. I can't complain. I'll post some shit. I'll post some pictures of shit. No, I can't, bro. There's like some people nearby, bro, and like I'm not gonna that'll look crazy. But yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to say what's up. I think I'm about to dip, bro. If somebody wants to do exclamation point clip, maybe there's somebody that wants to fucking save their streak. They can fucking watch the clip. And yeah, that's really it. Probably gonna dip. I will keep you guys updated now. Probably about 20 hours from now, I'll be in Korea. So, peace out. Peace.